Hello, warm welcome to you to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we shall try to understand and try to use certain phrases to sound more intelligent emotionally. If you want to sound to your employees or to your people, whoever they are, more emotionally intelligent, then try to use these phrases in your conversations more often. Okay, that makes you more authentic, more emotionally intelligent person who has a total understanding of his own emotions as well as empathy for others. Okay, let us see what they are. First one, I am listening or I hear you. So that phrase itself says that I am listening. That conveys a sense of confidence to your team members, that you as a leader have all ears open to listen to them and you believe in them. So when you say, tell me, I'm listening, then your team members or your employees or your counterparts, they will have that confidence that they are valued. And whatever they are saying, they are getting your attention, right? So that is one phrase. Or tell me more. Tell me more. What you are trying to convey here by asking them to tell you more is that you have that understanding that you are not supreme, or you are open to conversation, or you are open to listen to new ideas. You are open to learn something new from your teammates or from your employees. So that brings that understanding into the scenario that you are open to listening and you want to learn. That is what you are trying to express by using this phrase, tell me more. That you are ready to listen to their ideas and you have confidence in them. Okay. Next, I appreciate you. Whenever people put up efforts, it is human tendency that they expect a sort of appreciation. And when you genuinely appreciate them, that boosts up all their morale. That builds confidence in them. And you also will feel good about their efforts. And there is nothing wrong in expressing that in words. Like whatever, like I appreciate your efforts, or I appreciate what you have done for this project, or something like that, more constructively. So expressing appreciation is something really meaningful and worthy, and that creates wonders. If you receive an appreciation for your effort, you feel even more motivated to put up those extra efforts to get those extra results. So being a leader, you have to understand that, and being an emotionally intelligent person, appreciating the efforts of others is something very authentic. That in fact shows your own confidence in yourself. Appreciating others boosts up not only their confidence, but also it reflects your own confidence in yourself. You are not vulnerable here by appreciating others, right? Next, I trust you. That sounds so authentic. That you trust your people, that you believe in what they are doing, that you believe in their capabilities. That means a lot to your employees. And that makes you all powerful also, because you are not trying to convey that you are the superpower here. You are all to yourself. You are not a dictator kind of a boss. But you are placing that much needed trust in the abilities, in the capabilities, in the decisions of your teammates. That definitely is a phrase to be used quite regularly. Okay. Next, what are your thoughts? Am I missing something? Again, by asking this question or by using this phrase, like what are your thoughts or am I missing something? You are opening up a dialogue. You are starting a conversation with your team members, with your counterparts. You being a leader, you are not taking that authoritative position. You are not trying to, dictate terms to your teammates. Instead, you are opening up a chance for a dialogue and conversation and discussion. You are giving them an open offer to bring up or to come up with more ideas, more perspectives, which an emotionally intelligent person will definitely love to do. Okay, and that also brings trust of your employees in you as a leader. Okay, next, I have a different perspective. This is one phrase, I have a different perspective. See, being a leader or being an emotionally intelligent person does not mean that you have to say yes to whatever the other person suggests. It is not being emotionally intelligent. Being emotionally intelligent is like you are open to a discussion, and you always reserve that right to negate an opinion or to have your own opinion, and be authentic about it. Be confident about it. You need not always say yes to whatever the other person suggests. That is not emotional intelligence. And how you do that is emotional intelligence. If you bluntly or to their faces so rudely negate their opinion or discard their opinion or bluntly shut them up, that is not emotional intelligence. Instead, you can use phrase like this, that I have a different perspective. Okay, you are suggesting this, but how about this opinion of mine, this perspective of mine? That way you can open up a different conversation, and that way you can always feel authentic to express your own opinion. You always reserve that right. Okay, emotionally intelligent people do have respect for their opinions as well as respect for others, and when there is a difference of opinion, they will always bring up their opinions in a more authentic, more polished manner. Okay, next, is everything okay? So whenever you find an employee underperforming or not doing up to the mark or visibly stressful, we can read the signals, right? Verbal or non-verbal. We can understand the other person's mood to some extent. So when you find that the other person is not really doing up to the mark, forget about the results, forget about the targets, forget about the job for a moment. Try to be genuinely interested in knowing the well-being of that person by asking this, is everything okay? And you really mean it. Try to mean it really. Try to have some time for the conversation, some time for the exchange of ideas, just kind of a friend to friend talk. Okay, next, I'm sorry. I'm sorry is something, uh, most of the people, they use this word sorry just like that, but it conveys a huge meaning if you use it properly at appropriate times. For every small petty things, don't start saying I'm sorry for everything. Okay, instead, when the situation demands, or when the situation is such that the other person is hurt because of you, or things like that, when you truly and genuinely feel sorry, express it. Say you're sorry and mean it. That is the strength of emotional intelligence, right? Next, thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding. It is not always about us. See, when you are saying sorry, or when you are saying thank you, or when you are saying I appreciate you, it is all about you. You are extending your feelings, or you are expressing your feelings towards others. But when you are saying thanks for your understanding, the focus is on the other person, right? So that makes the other person feel so very valued and appreciated. When you say to the other person, whenever a situation comes, that you are very thankful for their understanding, so you are shifting the focus, you are shifting the appreciation to them. You are trying to convey that for their understanding, you are feeling so happy, so thankful. So here the entire focus or entire conversation is about the other person, which makes them feel very much valued. And that shows the empathy, the understanding of the other person, and the thanks giving to the other person. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please do like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.